Hello from East Texas Baptist Encampment. My name is Brian Tatum and I'm the office manager here at the camp. And we are excited about our upcoming summer camp season. And new for this year is a completely online registration system. In this series of videos, I will walk you through how to use this system. And with the app, you'll be able to create registrations, add campers to your registration roster, pay your deposits and balance, and even send messages all right from the app. All this can be found on our website, so let's transition over there. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen for you. And as you can see, it's on the screen in my web browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser that you like, from Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, your favorite web browser, and the app will work. You'll want to go to East Texas Baptist Encampment, that's etbe.org, and you see our main home screen on the screen right here. And there's a couple ways you can access information about our summer camps. There's a link right here on our home page, Summer Camps 2015. Click on the More Info link and that'll take you to a listing of all of our summer camps. You can also click on the summer camp menu choice and click on All Camps, and that takes you to the same list. You can see all of our camps are listed here, divided out by age group, and each one of these links will take you to more information. We'll go ahead and click on the Day 4 link and open up our Day 4 registration information. You have a picture of the camp poster, prices before and after the early registration deadline, and information about the camp, as well as a link to a large poster. It's in PDF file format. It's 11 by 17, and you can use that poster to publicize the camp at your church. It'll also print on an 8.5 by 11 if you need a smaller sheet as well. If you scroll on down, you'll see the registration links. Under paper registration, you see a link to the registration steps and then the registration form. Under the online registration, you see a link to registration steps again and then the registration application. The registration steps for each section is a PDF file that you can print out and use as a guide as you walk through all of the registration. For this video, we're going to be looking at the online registration, so we want to go into the registration application. One other way that you can shortcut and get to this link a little bit quicker is to click over on the Forms menu and then click on a Summer Registration Form, and again you see the same box for paper registration and online registration, and then below this will be the video series that I'm recording now. So let's go ahead and click on the registration application link, and it will open a new window in your browser, a new tab. And the first thing you want to do is to create a new user account. Right here on the right hand side of your screen, you can click the Create New User Account button right here, and then begin to enter all of your information into this form. Let's start with creating a user account name. This can be anything that you like. Only restriction is it must be 5 characters in length. And then we want to create a password. Again, it needs to be 5 characters in length. And then confirm that same password. You'll want to enter your first and last name, the church that you are going to be registering for. Autofill will work if that is set up in your browser. And then of course your email address. I'm going to use our Google account for the camp right there. Once everything is entered in, you'll want to verify that all the information is correct, and then you'll want to create your user account with this green Create User button right here. If there are any problems on the form, it will come back and display error messages right below those buttons, and you'll be able to get some help in how to correct the problem and get your user account created. So let's go ahead and create user, and we're going to clear the password save button. That's a feature in Chrome. Several other browsers have that, or you may have a password vault that you use, and you are free to use that if you would like, if that's your practice with your passwords. So we have a new user account created, and we can return to the login page. Now before you can log in, you're going to receive a welcome email in your email box, and you'll need to click on the verify email button in that email. So let's go over to where I have my email tab already open, and we're going to refresh that, and we see the email has arrived. This happens pretty quickly. It can take a couple of minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection and the servers. So we will go ahead and open that email, and of course you see your name here, some information about the system, and scroll all the way down and you see the verify email link or button depending on how it displays in your email. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and it opens up a new tab in your browser and tells you the email validation was successful. So now we're ready to return once again to the login page. We're going to enter our new username and password. And then you can either press enter on your keyboard or hit the login button right here. Looks like I typed something wrong. And once you enter your correct password and email in, you'll be taken to this landing page right here. You'll know you're logged into your account with the custom welcome message at the top of the screen. And once you do your registrations, you'll be able to log back out of the system. So I'll let you go and create your first user account right now, and I will see you in the next video.